Good morning, students. I welcome all my dear students in the online lecture. Also, I welcome my students once again after your Ganpati holiday vacations. Students, I hope so everyone have enjoyed their Ganesh Utsav holidays. Yes or no, students? Yes. And I also hope that everyone have completed their holiday homework of English subject. So now from today, after completing our vacation, we are going to start with a new lesson from our English Bal Bharti textbook. Myself, Miss Pooja, I am going to teach you the subject English of Standard 2nd. Before our Ganesh Utsav holidays, we have completed our poem 2.1 in Unit 2, Chameleons. Do you all remember, students? Yes. So after that, in our today's online lecture, we are going to study a new lesson. So I request all the students to open your English Bal Bharti textbook, your combined book and your English notebook, and also a pencil with you for referring today's online lecture. So students, are you all ready with your English Bal Bharti textbook? Okay, let us start a Unit 2, a new lesson from our English Bal Bharti textbook. Before starting a new lesson, let me introduce you with the unit, the index inside the book. We are learning Unit 2. Yes or no, students? We have completed our Unit 1 in our first unit test exams. Now, in this semester exam, the Unit 2 is important. So, in Unit 2, 2.1, a poem Chameleon was completed. Now, in our today's online lecture, we are going to learn 2.2 activity time. So be prepared for activity time. Are you all ready, students, with your textbook, notebook and your combined book? So open your page 2.2 activity time in Unit 2 from your English textbook. Open page number 18 of your English Bal Bharti textbook. Students, what can you see in your mobile screen? Yes, you can see many pictures. So, today in this lesson, we are going to identify the fruits name, vegetables name, animals name and flowers name. So this is a short lesson activity time. Here it is an activity as the pictures are given to you all only in this lesson. You have to identify the picture and you have to put it in the proper order or proper group. For example, you can see many pictures are there. You have to observe the picture. For example, the first one is mango. You have to identify mango is a fruit, vegetable, animal or flower, and you have to pick it and write the name given below in the textbook. So in this lesson, 2.2 activity time, we are going to learn more in detail about fruits, vegetables, animals, flowers. It is very simple and easy, as all the students are knowing the fruits name, the vegetables name, the animals name and the flowers name. Only you have to recognize, identify and put it in the proper group given below. You have to write the name of the proper picture in the given groups. So, students, are you all ready for it? So, here are some pictures. We are going to look at the pictures, read it. Students, I am going to read the pictures for you all. You have to repeat the names behind me. So, let us start. Look and read. Students, point your pencil in your textbook. Those who are not having the textbook, they can refer the image, the screen which is flashing in your mobile. So you can pay attention. Students, look carefully. The first picture is mango. M-A-N-G-O, mango. Now, can you all tell me, mango is a fruit, vegetable, animal or a flower? Yes, mango is a fruit. Second picture, R-O-S-E, rose. So students, can you all tell me what is rose? Rose is a flower. Very good. Now third picture, L-O-T-U-S, lotus. Can you tell me what is the lotus? In which group it will go? Yes, lotus is also a flower. The fourth picture, P-O-T-A-T-O, potato. Now potato is a vegetable, fruit, flower or animal. Can you all tell me? Yes, potato is a vegetable. Now in the second row, fifth picture, O-N-I-O-N, onion. Can you all tell me what is the onion? In which group it belongs? Onion is a vegetable. The next is T-O-M-A-T-O, tomato. Now what is the tomato, students? Is it a fruit or a vegetable? Can anyone tell me? Yes, tomato is a vegetable. The next is R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. Now everyone knows rabbit is a animal. The next is G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes. So students, can you all tell me, grapes is a fruit or a vegetable? Yes, grapes is a fruit. The next, in the third row, J-A-S-M-I-N-E, jasmine. Now jasmine is a flower. It is a name of a flower, jasmine. The next picture, S-N-A-K-E, snake. Now snake is a animal. Yes. The next is marigold, M-A-R-I-G-O-L-D, marigold. It is a flower. The flower's name is marigold. And this picture everyone knows. Yes or no? E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. Yes or no, students? You can easily answer. Elephant is a animal. Now the last fourth row. Guava. Guava. Guava is a name of a fruit. The next is apple. 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 Apple is also a name of a fruit. So it will go in the fruits group. The next is cucumber. 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 Cucumber is a vegetable. Yes or no, students? Yes. You eat cucumber in salads. So cucumber is a vegetable. And the last one, everyone knows the name. Yes or no, student? Yes. Tiger. Tiger. Now tiger is a animal, wild animal. Yes or no? So in the animal group, the tiger's name will come. So students, you all have looked at the picture and we have completed our reading. The first picture was mango, second was rose, third was lotus, fourth is potato, fifth is onion, sixth is tomato, seventh is rabbit, eighth one is grapes, ninth one is jasmine, 10th one is snake, 11th one is marigold, 12th one is elephant, 13th one is guava, 14th one is apple, 15th one is cucumber, and 16th one, last one is tiger. So here it was an activity. The pictures was given to you all. Now you can see below is the column, the table given to you. B. Now look and read. You have observed the picture and we have identified the picture, whether it is a fruit, vegetable, animal or flowers. Now in the B column, look at your textbook. Write the above naming words in the given groups. Now these all are called as naming words. Yes or no, students? Yes. Now what is naming words? We have studied in a unit test exam in a grammar topic. Yes or no, students? Let me define you in short what is naming words. Naming words is the name of a person, place, animal or things. So here all these names like fruits, vegetables, animals, flowers, these all names are known as naming words. Yes or no? Because each word is a name. Name of a fruit, name of a vegetable, name of an animal or name of a flower. So all these above pictures and names are the naming words. Now you have to pick up the name and put it in the proper group given to you all. Fruits. The first group is fruits. First column, first group is fruits. The second group is vegetables. The third group is animals. And the fourth group is flowers. So students, let us revise first quickly. Now in fruits, first let us complete all the names of the fruits. The first, mango. So M-A-N-G-O, mango. Mango will come in the fruits column. So you will write the spelling of mango. The next is grapes. G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes. Second name is grapes. So you will write grapes. The third one is guava. 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 Guava is a fruit. So you will write the name of the fruit. And the last one is apple. 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 In vegetables, the first one is potato. 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 The second one is onion. 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 The third one is tomato. 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 And the last one is cucumber. 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 In the animals, you can just have a look. The first one is rabbit. 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 The second one is snake. 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 The third one is elephant. 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 And the last one is tiger. 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 Now in the flowers, the first one is rose. Rose. Second one is lotus. 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 Third one is jasmine. 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 And the fourth one is marigold. 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 Now students, carry a pencil in your hand. Now, as we all have discussed, what we have to write in the below column given to you in the textbook. Now students, carry a pencil. I am going to discuss the answer with you. In the fruits, you can see mango, mango. So write the spelling of the mango in the fruits column. Second one, write the spelling of grapes. grapes, grapes. Third one, guava. guava, guava. And the fourth one, apple. apple, apple. Now students, you are having a look to the screen, so you can just copy it down by observing. In your mobile screen, you can observe. I have filled the column for you, so you can look and do the same in your textbook. Now second is vegetables. So the first one, the name of the vegetable, potato. 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 The second one is onion. 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 Third one is tomato. 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 The fourth one is cucumber. 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 Now in the animals, the first is rabbit. 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 The second one is snake. 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 Third one is elephant. 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 And the fourth one is tiger. 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 Now in the flowers group, in the flowers column, you will write the spelling of the flowers. rose, rose. lotus, lotus. jasmine, jasmine. And the last one is marigold, marigold. So here we have completed our page number 18. Look and read and write the naming words in the given groups. Yes or no, students? Now turn your page, come to page number 19. Now students, open your page number 19. Okay, now who am I? Now here Who am I means, now you can see the pictures given to you in your textbook, page number 19. Here are some sentences. We will read the sentence and with the help of the sentence, we will come to know who am I. That is, we have to write the name. So, first one is, I have 2 hands, but I can't clap. Who am I? In the first sentence, it is told, I am having 2 hands, but I can't clap. Can you identify who am I? Students, can you tell me in the picture, who am I? It is been said, 2 hands, I have 2 hands. There are 2 hands, but I am not able to clap. I can't clap. Can you guess who am I? In the box, the answer is there. In the blue picture, you can observe the hint is given to you all. Elephant, no. Squirrel, no. Kite doesn't have hands. Ox, also no. So what is the answer? Yes, the answer is the clock. C-L-O-C-K, clock. I have 2 hands. Yes or no? Hours and minutes. There are 2 hands in the clock, but clock couldn't clap. Yes or no, students? Clock is a non-living thing. Clock can't clap. So the first answer is clock. Now second one, I fly without wings and have a long tail. Who am I? Now it is been said, I don't have wings. I don't have wings and I have a long tail. Who am I? But she can fly. Can you guess? I fly without wings. It means wings are not there, but then also I can fly. I am having a long tail. Who am I? Can you tell me by looking at the picture in the box? Elephant can fly? No. Squirrel can fly? No. Clock? No. Ox? No. So what is the answer? Kite. Yes. K-I-T-E, kite. Now you can see, I fly without wings. Kite don't have wings. Yes or no? Then also it flies high in the sky and have a long tail. You can see the picture. Kite is having a long tail. So the second answer is kite. K-I-T-E, kite. Third one, I have a bushy tail and like to eat nuts. Who am I? Now in the third one, I have a bushy tail. Means my tail are bushy. It means I have a bushy tail. I like to eat nuts. Nuts are favorite. Can you tell me who am I? Now looking at the pictures, bushy tail. So can you tell me here, elephant, squirrel, ox, clock and kite. What can be the answer? I have a bushy tail and I like to eat nuts. Now bushy tail, who is having a long lengthy bushy tail? Who is having? Yes, it is a squirrel. And squirrels like to eat nuts. Yes or no, students? As they sit on the trees, they eat nuts and they are having a bushy tail. So third answer is squirrel. S-Q-U-I-R-R-E-L, squirrel. Fourth one, I can easily eat leaves from the tall trees. I don't have to climb. I have a long trunk. Who am I? Now, in the fourth one, it is told, I can easily eat the leaves. It is said, I can easily eat the leaves from the tall trees which are at the height. I don't have to climb up the tree. I have a long trunk. Now long trunk, you know students, who is having a long trunk? Yes or no? Yes. Very good. The answer is correct. It is an elephant. Elephant is having a long trunk and can easily eat the leaves from the tall trees. So fourth answer is elephant. 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 And the fifth one is I have 2 horns and 4 legs. I work on the farm. Now it is said that I have having 2 horns and 4 legs. I work on the farm. In the agriculture, I work in the farm. I help. Who am I? I am a ox. So the answer is OX, ox. So students, let us check the answer that you have written. So students, carry a pencil in your hand. Now I am going to say you the answer that you have to write in the green color given space. The first one is I have 2 hands but I can't clap. Who am I? Clock. Write the spelling in the box I have written and showed you all. The first answer is CLOCK, clock. The second one is I fly without wings and have a long tail. Who am I? The answer is kite, KITE, kite. Third one is I have a bushy tail and like to eat nuts. Who am I? The answer is squirrel, SQUIRREL, squirrel. Fourth one, I can easily eat leaves from the tall trees. I don't have to climb. I have a long trunk. Who am I? Elephant, ELEPHANT, elephant. Fifth one, I have 2 horns and 4 legs. I work on the farm. Who am I? Ox, OX, ox. So students, have you all completed the answers? Yes. So those who are having the textbook, they are supposed to write the answer in the textbook. And those who are not having the textbook, they can copy the same question in your English notebook and they can write it in the notebook. So students, we have completed our today's lesson number 2.2, activity time. Yes or no students? Yes, it was a very simple and easy lesson. In this lesson, we have learned the naming words. We have learned how to identify the picture and mention the picture in the proper groups. And also, we have studied who am I. A short clue was given to you all and the sentence was given. By reading the sentence, we have observed and we have identified the answer. So here our lesson number 2.2, activity time is completed. So students, thank you for watching today's online lecture. Stay connected, stay healthy for the next online lecture. Thank you.